Diwali is a festival of mithais, and I love Indian mithais. But nowadays, people are so conscious that they prefer natural sugar and nuts. So guys, here I have for you a lovely wholesome desi granola bar. This is my mom's secret recipe. So I'm going to show you how to make this amazing nutritious bar and also pack them with KitchenAid brown paper. So guys, are you ready? Let's get started. Let's have a look at the ingredients. So here we have few strands of saffron, half a teaspoon of powdered cardamom, half a cup of almond flour, half a cup of jaggery, 3 tablespoons of roasted cashew nuts, 3 tablespoons of roasted and sliced almonds, 2 tablespoons of ghee, 3 tablespoons of roasted mixed seeds, 1 tablespoon of sliced pistachios, and 1 tablespoon of raisins. So we will keep jaggery and ghee aside, and we will add all the nuts and seeds in the mixing bowl. Just give this a mix and keep it aside. In a saucepan, add jaggery and ghee. Cook this until jaggery melts completely. Now add this mixture to the bowl. Mix this well. I have lined this 5-inch square ring with KitchenAid brown paper. The best thing about this brown paper is that it is chlorine free and it is unbleached. So I'm going to use this today for making the granola bars. Now to level it, I have taken another small piece of brown paper and I'm going to place it right on the top. With the help of a spoon, I'm just going to flatten it. So we will now allow this to set for 1 hour at room temperature. I will now show you how to pack this desi granola bar. Make this Diwali healthy and nutritious with these yummy desi granola bars. Do give this recipe a try, click loads of pictures, tag me Chef Ruhi Bimani and KitchenAid, and we'll be happy to see how it's turned out for you. Follow me for more such recipes. Until then, happy baking!